Hi, today I will show you how to make AI chatbot with Botpress. So, first download and install Botpress from the official website or GitHub. Then follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Then start the Botpress server by typing in the command ./bp or bp.exe. Then create new bot. So open Botpress Studio in your browser, usually at http localhost 3000. Then click Create Bot, give it a name and create. Then use the Visual Flow Builder to design conversational paths, add nodes for greetings, user inputs, conditions, and bot replies. Then configure the built-in NLU module or connect external NLP providers. Then train intents and entities relevant to your chatbot's purpose. Then map intents and entities to bot flow transitions and responses. After this, you can add AI capabilities like you can integrate AI models like GPT or other services via Botpress actions or hooks. Write custom code in JS to call AI APIs for dynamic responses, then use the call external API or similar functions within Botpress for AI interactions. Then test your bot. So you can use the built-in emulator to chat with your bot, refine dialogues, NLU, and flows as needed. Then host Botpress on a server or cloud platform. Then connect to your communication channels like web widget, Slack, Telegram, Facebook, Messenger, etc. So this approach lets you build, train, and deploy AI chatbots customized for your needs using Botpress powerful tools and AI integrations. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.